So starting in your downward facing dog, inhale the right leg to the sky, opening up the hip. And then from there, bring the right knee behind the right wrist. Finding yourself in a comfortable position, opening up the chest. And then you can come down over the shin, otherwise just staying wherever feels good, wherever you feel an opening of the hip. This can be quite an intense pose for some people, so try to stay relaxed, stay with the breath. You can stay here for as long as you like. I'm going to come out now. So inhale, lifting the chest, tuck the back toe, lift that back leg, come back to downward facing dog. We'll go on the other side. So inhale, left leg to the sky, opening up that hip again, finding some space. And then bring the left knee behind the left wrist this time. Again, take a moment to figure out your pigeon pose. And then gently, maybe coming all the way down, wherever feels good, wherever you feel the stretch. And this can be a restorative pose, so you can really stay here for up to 5 minutes if you feel like that's available. Otherwise, 5 breaths. Stay relaxed, stay calm. And when you're ready, coming out of the pose. Tuck the back toe and lift up to downward facing dog.